All right, guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel, man. So today's video gonna be answering your question: will I ever sell this truck? If you guys gonna enjoy this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe with the bell notifications turned on all, share this video with a friend. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business email is down below in the description with my social medias. Subscribe on my other YouTube channels. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're uploading daily. Drop a like, subscribe. So a lot of people are like, man, go outside, show the trucks. Well, good news, chat. Snow is melting, weather's getting better. This was always a daily truck, not a show truck, so this is the only truck I could show for now because it's my daily, man. It's finally snow time, daytime. So, you know, I've been posting videos on TikTok. A lot of people have been asking. You know, I don't even say that it's for sale. I just post videos on my truck. And then comments be like, how much? How much? How much? Would you ever get rid of it? And to be honest, I don't know, chat. Give me an offer. But I don't think I would, especially right now. This is probably one of my best daily trucks I've ever driven. And I don't think I would ever get rid of it, chat. You know? It's a little rust bucket from the outside, but it gets me from point A to point B. By the way, chat, ignore that stance. It's like the curve is like going downhill. And then you guys know the famous, what did they call it? The famous fuel pump tank is like leaning on the left side. So that's why it's not like centered. But I don't know, chat. I would not get rid of this truck. You know, I did add a new tire. Other than that, recently, haven't really done much. I wouldn't ask for a better daily than this, man. Obviously, rather than fixing the rust bucket from it, I just call it the rust bucket. But besides fixing the rust, I would not get rid of this thing, chat. You know, it's my truck. It's finally nice out. I can record nice, no shaking hands, cold weather. But yeah, man. I mean, other than that, dude, the frame is still good. You know, I did paint it black, but I just can't get rid of it, chat. You know, see, this is my rust bucket right here. But besides that, as long as it's drivable, I'm not complaining, bro. You save money, you save somewhat gas, you know. Trucks are typical to spend a little much on gas, but it's a 5.3 V8 and I wouldn't ask for anything else. Oh, by the way, speaking of the weather, it was 34 degrees this morning. Now it's like 32 or 30 right now. I gotta check the rearview mirror inside, but the truck has been starting up right away. So I've been telling y'all, man, it's just cold, bro. It's just like annoying. Look at this. People be like, why don't you make videos about the other truck? Chat, look at this, bro. Look at the ashy, snowy weather, bro. Guys, I can't really do much. Well, besides showcase the only truck I got, but for now, but look, bro. This is what I'm saying, chat. This weather's just not it, bro. I am not gonna drive it on this type of weather streets. Look at this, bro. People want me to drive my trucks, but well, besides this one, but like, you know, just look at that, bro. It's just cold, ashy, salty. I mean, check out the, you know, just look at this, chat. Snowy, ashy weather, bro. I'm waiting for springtime. I'm waiting for summertime. Trust me, mark my words. I'll have the best videos out there, chat. But right now, this is just what I gotta deal with, man. Look at this. Still snow melting, cold weather. Can't really ask for much, but gets the job done. So I'm gonna show you guys the interior. Something slight, very loud, but puddle lights. I did add these mirrors, OEM puddle lights. I just added a LED. Super bright at night. Right now it's just like barely turning night. Still dark enough. Look at that. Show you guys the interior. If I gave you the chance to buy this, chat, would you guys buy it? It's like, chat, look at this, bro. People want me to record videos about my other truck, but bro, look at this. Imagine these floor mats on my other truck. This thing is cooked. This is why this is my daily truck for a reason, chat. Oh my days. And I know you guys are probably like, bro, it's just floor mats, but I like being clean, chat. And there's nothing much I could do about it. I could clean it, but it's gonna get dirty again. But it's my daily truck for a reason. I'm just letting y'all know I'm very limited to what I could drive right now, man. Cause look, this thing is cooked, bro. But this is the interior, chat. Very nice. Did do the LED conversion on the cluster, steering wheel controls, headlight switch, 4x4 switch. It's a nice truck overall, chat. But I don't know if I would ever get rid of it, chat. More to the fact that this is my only daily truck, chat, and it's very drivable. I wouldn't want to get rid of it. I wouldn't want to get rid of it right now, but who knows? But like right now, probably not, chat. I'm gonna be honest. It's my daily truck for a reason. You know, can't complain much. You know, it's a perfect daily, bro. Especially for this type of weather, dude. And especially if you're in a state that has a lot of snow or bad roads, water, raining, just go ahead and turn on that 4x4 and you'll be good to go, man. You got your wipers going, working. Everything works, chat. Really no issues, thankfully, right? But yeah, like I said, I'm thankful. Wouldn't really ask for none much, but all I wanted was a daily, man. I don't care if it was ugly from the outside, if it looks nice from the outside, as long as it's drivable, as long as there's no issues with the vehicle driving performance, that's all I need, man. So, and I'm gonna be honest, the uglier it is, the better for me. Cause I'm gonna be honest, in public, I don't want to get too much attention, especially when I'm pulling up, parking, you know? I feel like this truck's like perfect for that. I mean, I'm on stock wheels. I doubt this truck would get much attention. Maybe to the fact that it's a single cab short bed, but besides that, it's your typical average Silverado, chat. I do need new tires. Look, they look bald from the sides. But yeah, man, there's me. Can't really complain much, chat. Look at that. Sheesh. I like that stance in the back, but it's pretty clean. Look, I'm gonna show you guys some interiors stuff. If you guys are asking, wondering. Got that radio. Look, we got that. What'd you call this? My hammer for the for the starter, dude. When it gets too cold, I knock on the starter for it to work. And then black carpet. Y'all can't even see it, so dark. Look, black carpet. Look at that. Very nice quality, soft. Look at that. See, this is how my floor mats are supposed to look, bro. This clean. See that? All it has is like crumbs, but see, this is how clean it's supposed to be. Actually, I don't know where that is from. Is that snow? Yo, hold on. Where did the snow come from? Yeah. Besides that, bro. Oh yeah, let me show you the interior. Look at this. Look at the interior seats. Oh my days, bro. They used this as a work truck when I bought it. I'm so surprised the seats are still, look, you know they're clean when you get that, I don't know what this is called, but you know when you look, like when you get that effect, you see? You know these seats are in good condition. Even these, although it needs probably like a cleaning, but like you can still see the marks, you know, when you clean it. Look at that. It's not suede, but like, you know, the material of this, you see that? So if I give it a clean, it's gonna look nice. Look at that. These seats are very comfortable, bro. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. I don't know, chat. I probably wouldn't get rid of it right now. I like my truck, man. Just look at that look. Nice double din Alpine ILX W650 radio. Red glowing knobs. Custom insert badge emblem that I made. Let me know if y'all want one. Hit me up. Cluster. Steering wheel. Headlight switch. But we'll see, man. We'll see what the future holds, chat. But look at those floor mats, dude. Oh my days. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm the type of person to buy new floor mats just because of that. If it leaves marks after I clean it, I'm not even joking. I don't like riding dirty, man. Like, at least just make the just make the floor mats look clean like that. I just like being clean, man. And if I bought this truck way before it was rusty, I would have saved this truck. But let me know what y'all think, chat. Drop a like, subscribe. I'm definitely keeping it. I'm just asking y'all all the questions I get. How much? Not for sale, chat. It's for sale. I didn't even start it up. I don't even got my keys. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Electric everything. Well, except for these seats. Oh no, this one has electric, but the other one doesn't. No heating seats though. This is a normal truck. But drop a like, subscribe, chat. I'm gonna get into your thumbnail. I'm gonna catch on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Would you guys pick up one of these trucks, or why or why not? Let me know. And I'm out, man. JJ! Wait. GG's.